How to delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram account. Here's how. First, open the Threads app and make sure you're signed in. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the two-line menu in the top right corner. Select Account Center. Tap Manage Accounts. Select your Threads account from the list. Tap Manage. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Tap Delete Account. Tap Continue after reading what will happen when your account is deleted. Choose the reason why you want to delete your Threads account. Tap Continue. If you see the option, you can export your information or deactivate your account instead. Tap Continue again if you still want to permanently delete your account. If you haven't created a Threads password yet, you'll be asked to create one before you can continue. Since I've already created my password, I only need to confirm it to proceed. After confirming your password, continue with the verification if prompted. Finally, tap Delete Profile, then confirm the action to permanently delete your Threads account. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Threads account without deleting your Instagram account. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Threads tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.